Okay, so question number 9, which is from computer organization. I am reading out this question for you. The following are some events that occur after a device control issues an interrupt while process L is under execution. The events are P. The processor pushes the process status of L on the control stack. Q. The process finishes the execution of the current instruction. R. The processor executes the interrupt service routine. S. The processor pops the process status of L from the control stack. The processor loads the new program counter value based on the interrupt. Which of the following is the correct order in which the event occurred? Okay, so note it down. Note the question down. We will discuss the answer now. So here I have already written the event. So when a interrupt occurred, the first thing that is already going, device controller issues an interrupt while process L is under execution. Okay, so this is the first event. Okay, after that processor finishes the execution of current process. Okay, so it is mentioned Q in the question. After that processor signals acknowledgement of the interrupt. After that processor pushes the process status of L onto the stack, onto the control stack, which is P event in that question. After that the processor loads the new program counter value based on the interrupt, which is T in the question. After that save remainder of the processor state information. Okay, after that event interrupt service routine occurred, which is event R in the question. After that so after the interrupt, the process will again restore. So restore the process state info. After that S, the processor pops the process stack of L from stack, which is event R in the question. So the order is Q, P, T, R and S. Okay. So note it down. I am just doing it for you so you can write it down. Okay, so for this question answer I think is D. No, QP. So answer is A. Okay, thank you.